My name is Shyanne LaSheila of The Sensible Look, and I am spot on. I can find out a woman's style and curate perfect looks for her that are always spot on.
We've all heard the saying, black goes with everything, but some of us take it a little too far and end up wearing nothing but black all the time, every day, every season, every year. Today I'm going to help a woman who has a great sense of style. She's a business professional, but she needs to learn how to incorporate some more color and neutrals into her wardrobe so that she can really pop.
Hi, I'm Shawntay. I am a wife, a mother, a business professional, helping small businesses, and for as long as I can remember, I've always liked businessy, professional clothing, dark colors, conservative business colors like the blue, the darker the better, blacks and grays. So I'm looking to add a little color to my professional wardrobe.
Hello, Shawntay. It is so great to finally meet you.
Nice to meet you, Shyanne.
Yes, and I saw your video. I saw that you said you need some help with incorporating some color into your wardrobe, and I just hope that I can help you get your style spot on.
I'm looking forward to working with you.
I'm so excited. So first, I just want to ask you a few questions so that I can better know more about you and what your needs are as far as what you need for your style to accompany your life. So first, I want to ask, I know that you said that you're a businesswoman, so would you say that your style is kind of, smart professional, like you enjoy blazers and you enjoy dark colors, things
Yes,
of that
it's
nature?
very, I want to say, conservative, businessy, since I do work in a business atmosphere. I always like those business power colors like blacks and grays and navy blues. So that's pretty much has dominated my style preference.
Well, do you have a favorite color?
Blue?
Are you open to trying different colors that aren't blue and dark?
Yes, I am.
Alright, so what is your favorite clothing item? And what isn't your favorite clothing item?
Well, my favorite clothing item, I love either wearing jackets or pullovers or sweaters. I like dresses as well as pants. So I'm pretty open, but I always have a top to accommodate my wardrobe, a blazer or sweater, or something to cover my arms.
I understand. So what's your favorite accessory?
I have been known, and people have now acquaint me with the scarf lady. So I always like wearing scarves and necklaces. That's my favorite accessory.
Okay, so you love neck accessories.
Yes.
All right. So, if someone met you that they never knew you before, describe your personality in 5 words or less.
No. Well, I would say my personality is more on a reserved, serious type side. I'm a person who's usually in charge, personally as well as professionally. Very active and outgoing, so I'm very goal-oriented, and that kind of dominates my personality as well.
Now, in your style, do you want your style to speak dominance, or would you kind of want to use your style to tone down maybe
I'm looking to shift my style because, again, I don't think that reflects who I am internally. I'm a fun-loving person, and I love to, I've taken myself serious so long in my life, so I would like my style now to show the shift, to show like more color, and that I do have humor, and so I'm looking to add a little bit more pop into it and not be as serious, because I have been known to be serious and have been told that sometimes people are intimidated by that.
All right, I definitely understand. And so what do you normally do during the week, other than your job?
Work? No. Pretty much my work life, it dominates, but I do love spending time when I do have some downtime with family. I like working with people, so even off the clock I'm usually surrounded or involved in either family events or working with other individuals as well.
So you're always on the go and always busy?
Pretty much, yes.
All right. And I want to know, do you have any self-conscious areas?
Oh, of course. Glad you asked that. As you can see, I'm well endowed, so I usually like to not, I usually try to either cover it up or do something that doesn't draw attention to it, which is kind of difficult, but something that doesn't accentuate my top half and kind of like downplay it somewhat, if that makes sense.
So you want to not accentuate it, but you don't want to cover yourself up either. So just, basically accommodate it with your style. I understand. And lastly, how do you think that this will be able to help you, make changes in the next 5 years?
Well, I am getting older and looking at now what my purpose is in life, so I want to be able to showcase that more. And I know my purpose is in working with people, so I want to be more approachable, and I'm hoping your style will help me to be able to show that to the world.
Well, I'm not going to use my style. I'm going to just help you so I can
Your tips.
Find your style spot on.
Okay, sounds like a plan.
So I'm going to use what I have and see what I can do, okay?
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh.
Here's
Oh wow. I would have never thought to get a color like that, but I think that's gonna work. Mm-hmm.
I decided to just get you some nice dark jeans with a straight leg. I got this nice green tank top with a nice floral pattern that has some hints of black, but I paired it with a gray blazer because gray is also a great neutral. And then I have this nice bright yellow skirt with this nice coral tank top and also this nice light denim jacket. I feel like this is really easy breezy and it'll help really make your personality really just pop, because you have a great personality and you definitely need to show it off.
Okay, I'm looking forward to it.
So for Shawntay's first look, she has a nice green tank top with a nice black and white floral pattern, and it pairs nicely with her gray blazer and also her silver statement necklace that she is wearing. It all complements each other very well, and she also has on some nice straight leg dark bottom jeans, which are very flattering to any figure, and they're also a neutral because denim is considered a neutral. And I just like this style for her because green is that nice pop of color. It's also a soft green, so it just looks very happy and inviting, but she also has the black and white and the gray and the denim, which are all neutrals, and it just all coincides, and it is definitely smart casual, and she can definitely wear it for informal meetings, and also she can do it for her errands, running around, since she has such a busy lifestyle.
The easiest way to incorporate that pop of color into your wardrobe is by simply choosing a color that you enjoy. Anyone that is eerie of adding color, never go to a color that you would not ever think of being in, especially when you're first starting out. Start off with a color that you think is beautiful, that you enjoy, and also try and incorporate it into a pattern so that it's more visually pleasing to not only those around you, but of course you, because you're the one that's wearing it, and your style should always reflect what you want and what you enjoy.
For Shawntay's second look, it's a nice light wash denim jacket with a nice coral colored tank top and a nice electric yellow pencil skirt. I love this outfit because it combines staples that are known to be part of business professionals, such as the pencil skirt, but due to the bright colors and pairing it with the nice denim jacket, it makes it a little more youthful. It makes it a little more smart casual. I love this because she can easily pair it with some flats or nice sandals and do her runs with her children and her family and attend all of her other events. It's just amazing. And she also loves to wear jackets. So instead of getting a plain black jacket, I decided to pair it with the denim jacket. That way it's still a neutral, but it's just a little different. It just makes this outfit so light and bright.
Wow, Shyanne, this is pretty amazing. I would not have thought to even look at yellows and coral colors in my wardrobe. I really like it. I really feel comfortable in it. It's definitely a pop of color. It livens up my personality. So I think that this is really gonna go well with the things that I have to do, and it's a nice, smart casual. And I believe you're spot on from what I shared with you, what I was trying to achieve. Thank you, Shyanne.
Before, Shawntay's outfits mostly incorporated dark colors and dark neutrals that made her outfits seem a little mundane. But after, with the help of Shyanne LaSheila incorporating a pop of color into her outfits, her style now truly reflects her bubbly and warming personality. Wardrobe was provided by The Sensible Look, and for your own virtual styling needs, go to thesobrand.com today.